Hello. Today I will show you how to create an email forwarder in cPanel. What is email forwarder? When you got an email to one of your addresses in cPanel, you can forward it to one or different email addresses. So, you only have to check one inbox. Let us start. Go to your cPanel interface. From Email section, click on Forwarders icon. Under Create an Email Account Forwarder, click Add Forwarder. Now, fill the required data in the following fields. In the address to forward, type the email address you want to forward from. For the domain, select the email domain from this drop list. For the destination section, in this text box, add the full email address that you want to forward the emails to. Finally, click Add Forwarder button. All your incoming emails will be forwarded to the address you set. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.